What? What?
You're being crazy. Siler!
What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
There's a big superhero mess all over this
No,
room.
this is not a superhero mess. Because it's cleanup time. Ah! Whoa. Here comes the crazy one. Okay, I'll go get some more toys.
No, that's okay.
I'll go get some more.
Don't scream like that. Be
Be
careful. Cody. Arlix, come on. Arlix. Oh boy. Arlix, you took away his toy.
Better?